It is my pleasure to introduce you to intellectual property in fashion. My name is Francesca Maschio, and I've been practicing intellectual property as a lawyer in the United States of America and in Europe, and I'm also honored to be a professor of international intellectual property in major universities in Europe and US. For purpose of this Master in Fashion Law in cooperation with NABA, Nuova Accademia di Belle Arti, and Uninettuno, International Telematic University, I have the pleasure to be your professor in the module that is targeted to intellectual property in fashion. In this module, we will address several very enthusiastic topics, including the introduction to intellectual property in fashion, IP for fashion brand identity and consumer behavior, selected case law on brand identity, brands, geographical indicators, and made in. This first set of class will be very standard in terms of introducing you to the fundamentals IP rights that are applied to the fashion industry. But we will further move to registration of trademarks, trademarks in the European Union, enforcement of trademarks, and coexistence agreement in fashion. This second section is to those of you who will be in charge of being the executive officers of brand groups, luxuries, designers, or also the legal advisors of major fashion group. For the future of fashion, we will also address fashion design and copyright, IP rights in metaverse and Web3, and artificial intelligence in intellectual property. It was a selection of topics for me very remarkable, and you will see that we will analyze several case law, very recent, very challenging for the fashion industry, and also different territories worldwide that have different regulation for the protection of intellectual property and the fashion system, therefore advertisement, marketing, consumers protection, data protection. The overall master and this module itself have a very multidisciplinary approach. Therefore, it is targeted for those of you having a legal but also a business and communication background and wishing to invest their career in this creative, innovative system that the fashion industry is. Therefore, I welcome you to this journey together through creativity, innovation, and beauty. I do hope you will enjoy. Thank you.